If you've ever received a photo in Yahoo Mail and weren't sure how to open it, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view a photo in Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful skill, whether you're checking work emails, personal messages, or attachments from friends and family. And if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser or app and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the email that contains the photo you want to see. Open that email by clicking or tapping on it. After the message opens, scroll through the email until you find the photo or attachment section. In most cases, the image will appear directly in the email, or you'll see a small preview that you can click. If the photo is shown as an attachment, simply click on the photo or attachment icon to open it. Yahoo Mail will then load the image so you can view it in full. If the image doesn't open right away, give it a second to finish loading, especially if your internet connection is slow. You may also need to click download or preview depending on how the sender attached the file. Once the photo opens, you can zoom in, save it to your device, or scroll back to the email if you need to view more attachments. If you're using a phone or tablet, just tap the attachment and wait for the image viewer to open. If you're on a computer, a single click is usually enough to preview the photo in a new window or inline inside the email. That's really all there is to it. Opening photos in Yahoo Mail is quick and easy once you know where to look. So to recap, open Yahoo Mail, open the email with the photo, and click on the photo or attachment to view it. I hope this tutorial helped you out and saved you some time. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.